Welcome to AidEx and Development 2030. This year, for the first time in Geneva. There is so much going on in the world at the moment. This event is quite pivotal, and there's never been a more important time for people to come together and work out the common way forward. The objective of this event is to find solutions, connecting the commercial sector with the UN, with the Red Cross, with all the NGOs.
I think the focus of this year on people, the focus on gender, the focus on localization, I'm really motivated by all those topics.
Private sector is here, the development sector is here with Development 2030, the humanitarians are here, and that is, I think, one of the key values of AidEx.
We have one location where everybody's meeting, and we don't just meet with suppliers, we also see what other partners are doing, and we interact in an open way, and this is what AidEx is about. We love it.
So it's great to see as well the security that's coming along, the protection of people, and there's a lot of new ideas, new innovation products.
Big opportunity here for us to be able to just connect with our some of our implementing partners that are here, and then also just learn more about what's going on in the international development world that we don't always get to see.
The challenge has never been greater, the need has never been more, but donor funds have never been more challenging.
We can see how we can collectively address some of the big challenges that we are facing, be it on the climate, forced displacement, forgotten crisis. There are a number of issues that we can talk together.
We need to work with our commercial colleagues, like here at AidEx, on helping us solve some of those problems.
So there are so many meetings here at AidEx and Development 2030. The outcomes are going to be concrete, and we're looking forward to following up on that with our regional event in Nairobi in June, and also our event here in Geneva this time next year, exactly the same place, the same hall. Everybody's welcome.